Ebusham for I Ghana SMTVGH. Message or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature I'll probably be notified with that change. And then I mean who say, me be bra penny Agbodza. Honorable Agbodza. Our Minister of roads and highways. Saying a lot of things about claiming that is a response to Asensu Boache. Now, Assembly is saying, sometimes it pays to be patient. It pays to be patient. I understand when our friends El Muti Ashanti region, Eka said they are the stronghold of MPP, so there are projects in the region that must be prioritized. I don't stay in Kumasi, but last year I went to Kumasi on a number of occasions, and whenever I go there, now me who say a crime be very smooth. At least maybe say a crime when one a year. Almost all the time I was told say a MPP. One typical road the road that leads to the airport, Prempeh International Airport. When I got there and I asked, you see MPP in a year. Some of the roads around how do you call Atonsu and all those places, I was told say MPP in a year. So I was asking myself, say, MPP here when you know no more Ashanti region say MPP to the extent say they got angry and decided not to go out and vote. That is what I was thinking. I was asking myself. Now, Swami, and I had a privilege to see how the interchange was looking. That was last year, the first of John Dramani Mahama. And I can tell you, say, up to today, John Mahama saw the big push about. But even in that big push, nobody is minding Swami interchange. The very interchange, that is the reason why people said they were angry with MPP. No. NDC Abano, they don't care about the interchange. Now, if you don't care about the interchange, if you don't want to build the interchanger, then leave it as it is. When MPP comes back to 2029, MPP will come and continue from where we left it. And yes, sir, these people now have gone, an interchange that is supposed to be a three-tier interchange. Now they are changing it to two-tier. What it means, they say tiers. No, I say so. Also, say a story building. I can say three. And this is for they have reduced it from 3 to 2. And these people have a history of taking Jobo Mbekaya Saglemi project. They said they were going to build 5,000 housing units. They ended up building 1,486 or so. And even the money they spent, till today, not accounted for, and we still need more money to go and complete those 1,400 that they attempted building. They were able to build those buildings, and they did not even make provision for a sewage system. That is how petty is a 4-tier interchange. So thank you for the people who are correcting. No, I think it's 3-tier. When Auntie Ellen comes in, maybe she would fact check that for me, right? But the NDC people are able to build a building with that sewage system, without making provision for, sorry to say, but toilet. So if they are able to do that, and they are reducing the number of TSIS from interchange now, it's just for them to pocket money and use it for the kind of gargantua campaign they did Ayawaso East. So our friends in Ashanti region, are you seeing how important it is for you at every point in time to ensure, say, the party, New Patriotic Party, is voted for to be in power? I'm very much sure, say, if Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia were president as of today, by now, Swami interchange, 80%, 85% completed. I'm very much sure.
My dear, please drop me on this line and then pick me on the other one. Why?
I've done so. All right, so Auntie Ellen, kindly come in on the Swami interchange. Actually, are you ready? Okay. If Antele is not ready, okay, come in.
If Antele is not ready,
I am. That's why me we no. I minim send ya yensin camp. I want to mean kana.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm say 40.
Okay.
That is what I think. I have to quickly check honorable accent. So either 4 or 3. That is the original plan. I think it is 4.
Right.
Now you per say a no to say poku asidi no.
Right.
Na mo amunim history no so amede em yewura kufo na fiase o.
Oh, I see.
Yes. Ena LDC for ba mfie wotwe mo anya na hwee. 8 years. Omo anya no hwee. 40. My honorable Francis Asenso Boachi, former roads minister.
Right.
80 year kufo start yen or no start yen no person yen just a normal interchange, just a 2-tier interchange. And NDC for omwanye 80 MPP buy no a biom no. So for 8 years they didn't do anything about it. And now you run another say, well, let's upgrade it. See, I'm gonna see one on one yet the upgrade in the call 4. That's when they started work on it in a one minimum summer on the COVID matter.
Right.
It's Sikali loans are near the baying it stopped coming. But yes, so MPP4 and the MPP government, the Nanado Danko Kufuado government, near yent means so near who and film because a woman said a sika wiring. A woman said a year near ma. Like the things for the place was tough, but we could have taken a decision. We could have taken a decision. Say a stronghold in it. Where no come rain or shine,
Yeah.
But what happened with the roads ministry and what happened with the decision? Rather, no, you better Accra na yenya vote no. And na Accra interchanges among.
Yeah.
I still don't get it.
Even Volta cry.
Exactly. And I believe it's Nanado Danko Kufuado na me who do I missing canon. Na dream ni say Ghana.
Oh, yeah.
It's year developing. Yes, yeah, Ashanti region roads. Yeah, roads but the major one to say BBT says of Swami dear just for such a long time. We could have done it. And it's not about me as a Mokaya all around. Mokaya, you start to say your Koran. Oscar said we have to prioritize development in our strongholds. Simple.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I agree with him. And we have learned from that lesson. As I say, we could have taken certain decisions in relation to Ashanti region, major road infrastructure, especially interchanges. No, the other roads because next watch it. And rightfully so, yes, stronghold of Bufu yen. And on one pie, what I love about them is say, on power sama on power moon. To the fact that the bufu ni party in just about to a banamo. 80 pie and a 1 pie and a 1 metro. And typical of NDC. Be coffee Rollins and Mirashuna Rollins, a catcher of almost say a catcher Ashanti region for say. Wawari Asantini Netinina 4. Nigeria on the Bobra, now show the gold. Cry by Ashanti region street manor, Nyadium Betu Ababano and his party. There's no NDC government ever anything to favor Ashanti region. On yet. Nanya President Kufuor started again. You had 8 solid years. Mind fee, yes, mind to me and your mom. Yeah, no, so you bet me. One, World Economic Matters, Ghana has a 2 points be any sika, plus ya decisions be a take ye and to me. No, Massing Abba, Montuasuna Munyana Monquay. One young sure Jesse way. Because it will be the first time I will Jesse what. Jesse what? One man may can't try and say, I didn't Yashishana, ya de call 40 and who test about 2. Are you okay? It is a Santifona and Mumuamo. Magia to send people for Yanya dear. And they no crowd Hamayanka. Yanya dear say Yantimianye. And say Yankoma everybody will fear ni asromo. Nyame ya adom 2029 ya ba. That is one thing I say ya de 1 year ya di wie near pay baby tina because I check.
Possible.
Enti omuni omufie fo ni omuni ya nya problem a. Na no so interest you should come and disrespect them. Nyamu ye a total disrespect. Obi an hye mo samo nkoye. Anya project anyamu na mo start ye. Any mo stronghold. Ti obi nobody will blame you. It's okay. But you do not go ahead to disrespect the people there. Say for na ya ma na mo ani age ho na omo pushi say ya nya ma no. What is so? What do you mean? Obeso ka say they don't deserve it. Are you okay? Mu NDC for kwa mu na ho no kwa na enye mo kan say enye mo stronghold no kwa no. Volta mu nya wa Ashanti region. Edo say Volta region.
It's true.
Volta NDC nya wa Ashanti region no. Edo say Volta region am say mu stronghold. It's at least the votes you get from there, respect the votes. Respect the votes. Both political parties, you need the votes are every that region. And yes, MPP, I agree. Mijitum. But your largest vote, I think, apart from a greater Accra or a swing region. There's nothing. Greater Accra is not your stronghold. Volta Mumunya or Ashanti region. MPP yenyebi or Volta region. Yenyebi.
For the year.
And so you do not disrespect them. Nyomo ye ni Agbodza ye no eye disrespect. Untibi nya jesiwo. As I said, enyo na ofi ase. Enyo na ofi ase. And nobody is forcing you. The people there, the Ashanti regional people will not be on your neck. Or they will not be on the NDC next to do anything for them because they don't expect anything from the NDC. It is hard disrespect here. Who show what is it? Them accessor. At the end of your phone, what's a swabber too? How dare you?
Are they?
And then let's see. I don't know about I beg him. There are things that you found Kobe because NDC is in power, but you would not want to antagonize the Ashantis. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Don't disrespect them. At the end of the way, see, I call Mummy and Chasso. I want to be nya Munjasso, and ya by force, Munjansu. Yamaya dominant people Bapa Baye. Mobile should be any number you money, no my yaw before a mob. No magic credit, no. It's as simple as that. But disrespect, no way. That's it.
Me da say Auntie Ellen for that superb one. I don't know, but I can't say found. So I may. Okay. Auntie Tina, what I make a found? So I may. Yen more multi so I may know. All right. Ebusian for so as Auntie Ellen Kai, no MPP, if you were still in power by now, would have been done and dusted with Swame interchange, because it's been a whole year of NDC in power. Right? But Ghanaians decided otherwise. Now, NDC for Amaba by no mono. I don't know. It's like everything NDC is doing, there is a, sorry to say, I don't know if it's I alone, but a more as a tribal sentiment. I'm very much sure about that. Because I doubt so strongly say, if it were to be Volta region, Nyame region, I'm a Voltarian, 100%. So when I'm talking, don't even try attempt misinterpreting me. I doubt, say, if it were to be interchanged via a course of Volta region, and this is for Baba Kachre say, they are changing it from 4 tiers to 2 tiers. I doubt. But some way, somehow, no, they are able to boldly do it to Ashanti region. And they don't just do it and keep quiet too. They defend it. Agbodza goes about defending it and asking questions, throwing tantrums. Like you don't like crack. But we made a mistake. We said we will not vote. Because if Ashanti region had voted, if Eastern region had showed up, oh, what else would we have needed? But it's not too late. The redemption time, 2 years, 8 months away. Or I think 2 years, 10 months. And I trust Ghanaians. I trust Ghanaians so much that all these things that are ongoing, say our mind way, that we are witnessing with our eyes there. I trust Ghanaians so much, say they are going to make the right choice, and that choice is going to be Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia.
Nurses and teachers are munya mokatuya. Any cocoa farmers are yam musika. Na wahu mwawura wusami nyina ejina se ene. Unye media krama yambe yeden. Yen kasabi emma because media no ya toni nyina afa. Undi mi die NDC for omweni abre ho. Ewe. Omunye ntia omokano. Ade a ehia omo say how they can make it to 2028. No mo ase atena so ase amakoma de mo ache. What's we no omo compile siko fans ba ko mienu miensa na ene. Ena mama hama jimi fo aban ye wo bubunti aman ye wo bubunti no omo di ho mfaso no. We na abre omo ani omo akoye compilation say 2028 election, NDC fuanya 68, and the NPP fuanya 32. Ye bisamu. Ewa kwambe so na mudinya 68. Jese mo nurses fo na yenya entua moka. Mwa ye ejuma 11 months ayama mo 1 month. NDC fo ka kire mo say mo se mo pensa inti mo si 2028 die NDC na mo ko. Mu koko famesa. Sa abanfo tantantan we a be dada mo aka kire mo say na koko e was say yes 6,000 and the NPP ni na do na ye wikit e de ma mo 3,100 something that under NDC government na mo krampo mo nji up to 1,000 na do bet na ban so to koko koko mu ko si 3,100 this abu trika abai afa kira be ka kira wo se onu momu anka obeye ne 6,000 na mo akoto ejimifo aba no ene amu su se mu peni musika omo nyamfa ma omo but siko fans na omo dibi omo leki obi no mo omo mpaboa ene ema omo kakra mo di no ono na eri akoto abonte se mo se mo penisa 2028 mo pe ahokyere we ya mo di awrewo ame anana do fami ejuma me nkosra sika ba wo nesi ni aya posti wo sra sika kra wo sra ya be ma wa na ya ma 1 month na the Lord is your shepherd till another 1 year na ya sa be ma 1 month we na ehia omo akoye compilation enunti na ye ka kire wo say Mahama led NDC see you people as what in fact animals. Because tell me the reason why abanya betena so bare minimum to yaka undia. Funny page uma ye second year. Yamfa good ewe juma baku 24-hour economy abom. Mwa mutifia ya twekon akachira mo say automatic postings abom. One policy of them omunyan achieve emfa mamo Ghana for. Banye abre omweni sesia ne se 2028 ena omoye hon polls. Enti na ye ka kire mo se uye nyansani especially a farmer like you are just in the middle class. Na uye aban ejumayefo na wutwo weni disro NDC koto abamawa. Jama woni nipa wa bodama wodi bini wagatamu. There's no difference. There's no difference. Onwa wate hono ya tene kakra man. Sa campaign fontan campaign tan na mo use mo adwene emfa ndwene ho ansa na mokoto nkosiaba no ono na edi ho mfaso nti ono no na emu susu left and right mo ba ye DM say yesra mo monfa platform enkasa na ye breo anesefo na ye post o mo ye breo o mo ntua ya ka no emfa ne ho wakoye polls o se mo penesa nti yete ha na ye kasa aban entua mo ka. What is the evidence? Because omo akoye polls and omo de abekire ye say mo na mo se mo penesa mo be san akoto abama NDC for. Na emom ye bisa mo say mo san akoto abama NDC for 2028 adenti na musu enya atwema na. Nya atweme na eha mo anase de. These are the things. NDC don't come to power to solve your problem. Ye can't da mo se common sense mo use. They come to power to chop. Because open power ye highly irresponsible in life. Say ba se won use na adwene. No fan ye adwuma bi no ndidi ya NDC the average NDC person oni bi. Enti sane ye view they view governance as a way to what? To cure their own hunger. Not a way to solve societal problems. But ye can't bia na mono bia asemba mukra na moye victims more than some of us are yen kasa yen fire hon kotale NDC for. Muna mutumi bio mo adwena kasa na nipa dwene ho awonim se ebini no odidida o se no Johnson na onom for tea. Enya mo na mo bre. But omo da so nam ho. Omo di esika na omo benya ya omo di and they are getting fed well. That is what ya amwada juni nyina say how will I proceed so that I can continue to get food to eat. As for what bothers you, they don't give a fuck about you. Mote ha. Cocoa pharmacy su. Employment abomo. Taxes, tariffs, yeah, they are abomo. Bibia nkoye uye ejuma kra or katuye kra we ye ejuma bebiara say we were president kra wonom jot. But enye salary a won't yaka. But enye sa Mahama did go to it. 2013 what did Ghana of ejuma. But mo amusimu use mo common sense no. Say ya. Yes, mo penesa. Intino ya acquire polls. NDC is leading. Inti ya catch them say oh dwene say wow, we are ordinary persons staying egoistic. Now when you do say, oh, abana wakoto no wakoto abafun, wakoto abatantan, a Jimmy for abana wakoto na wasakra. That is how NDC people will use you. You will be crying to survive, and they will be here worried about the next election. Say nya abaya wa no mo jota man in fact, ne memory nyina asi. Wakoye campaign promises 24-hour economy yenhusu. Automatic postings amba. A salary, ordinary salary grab bonipa. Ekuafo struggle. Now what that jenene say, oh san kohwehwe. Whether 2028 election eye in favor of you and I say in favor of you. Now wako concoct figure area better ho. Ninyina ejina said the ordinary Ghanaian have refused to think. Inti ama NDC for ehun the ordinary Ghanaian say we ya aboa unimi nyansa. Sa usu say ya ma salary no. Ye be ye polls akachira wo say o see NDC na obeko. Boy.